Greetings, Haven community. Today we're exploring the art of growing sweet potatoes, a nutritional powerhouse that transforms your garden into a productive, delicious ecosystem. Sweet potato varieties offer diverse flavors and nutritional profiles. Beauregard provides deep orange flesh with exceptional sweetness, while Japanese white presents a more subtle flavor. Orange varieties deliver high beta-carotene content, and purple sweet potatoes bring unique antioxidant properties. Select varieties matching your climate, culinary preferences, and growing conditions. Create an ideal growing environment with raised beds or mounds featuring sandy loam soil. Sweet potatoes demand loose, well-draining terrain with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Incorporate organic compost generously while avoiding nitrogen-rich fertilizers that encourage excessive leaf growth at the expense of root development. Sweet potatoes grow from slips. Sprouts develop from mature tubers. Production methods include water suspension or purchasing from specialized garden centers. Initiate slip development indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the final expected frost. Once slips reach 6 to 8 inches with multiple leaves, they're ready for transplantation. These tropical plants demand consistent warmth and extensive sunlight. Choose locations providing 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Sweet potatoes flourish when daytime temperatures maintain a consistent 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. In cooler regions, utilize black plastic mulch to extend the growing season and maintain soil temperature. Space slips 12 to 18 inches apart in rows, separated by 3 to 4 feet. Plant by burying 2/3 of each slip, leaving leaf tops exposed. Ensure soil remains loose to facilitate unrestricted root development. Container gardening offers an alternative for limited garden spaces, provided appropriate drainage is maintained. Implement a consistent moisture strategy without waterlogging. Water deeply but infrequently, maintaining soil moisture while preventing saturation. Organic mulch helps regulate soil temperature and retain appropriate humidity. Gradually reduce watering as harvest approaches to enhance sugar concentration and prevent root deterioration. Monitor for potential pest interactions, particularly wireworms and root knot nematodes. Practice crop rotation and avoid planting in areas recently hosting nightshade family crops. Minimal intervention is required once plants establish themselves. Anticipate harvest 90 to 120 days after planting, typically signaled by leaf yellowing. Utilize garden forks for careful extraction, minimizing tuber damage. Cure harvested sweet potatoes in warm, humid environments around 85 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 14 days to enhance flavor and storage potential. Store cured sweet potatoes in cool, dark environments maintaining 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid refrigeration to preserve taste and texture. Regularly inspect stored tubers, removing any showing signs of deterioration. Cultivation wisdom: sweet potato growing transcends mere agriculture. It's a journey of patience, nurturing, and connection with your food's origins.